Welcome to day 29. It's pretty quiet in the neighborhood today. Of course, you can still hear the neighbors hanging out in their backyards. This yard's pretty big, but most yards are fairly small. I have a dog too. I understand how it is. We have 61 days left on our journey. For 29 days, we keep returning to our tree on our 90-day series. 29 days of commitment and 29 days of growth. 29 days of proving that change happens one day at a time. And today, I want to think about a seed again. A tiny seed that contains no visible branches and no leaves and no shade and no towering trunk. Just a tiny seed. Yet that seed exists with complete blueprint of the tree that it will become, or the plant that it will become. The seed does not question its purpose. It simply grows toward it. Today we can reflect on our own potential. Thoth teaches that all creation begins in potential before it appears in form. So it's potentially something like an idea. Right? Before the tree exists, there's a seed. Before a building exists, there's an idea. Before the guy built this fence, he had an idea. That was the potential. Before transformation exists, there's a decision to transform, or to build, or to plant, or to grow. Many people underestimate themselves because they only see the current circumstances. They judge themselves by the way they are rather than what they're becoming. But nature teaches us differently. No one looks at the acorn and doubts its possibility of an oak. No one digs up a seed every day to check to see if it's growing. Unless you grow it in a glass jar, maybe. Growth requires trust, and growth requires patience. Growth requires faith in the process of growing. You may not yet see all that you are becoming, but that does not mean that it's not happening. Today we stand before a tree and we place our hands on the bark once again. Feel the bark underneath, beside our skin. Feel the earth beneath our feet. Extend the energy out like roots. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And feel the strength of the tree. It's not as windy today, so it's not moving. Now imagine the tiny seed that the tree once was. Imagine how impossible it might have seemed that such a small beginning could create something so strong. And now think of yourself. Think about the dreams you carry, the strengths you're developing, the habits you've built over the past 29 days if you follow. You can also build your own strengths and habits. As a person you are becoming, you take another slow, deep breath. Imagine the light within you, a seed of potential, and a seed of wisdom, a seed of purpose. With every breath, see that seed grow stronger. I trust yet. I trust the potential. I trust the potential within me, like the seed. I grow into what I'm meant to become. Every day I move closer to my purpose. For the 1 Million Smiles Project, today's mission is simple. Water a seed. Encourage somebody's dream. Support somebody's effort. And offer a kind word. Sometimes people only need a little encouragement to keep growing. Just as sunlight and rain help the seed become a tree, your kindness can help somebody continue their journey. Today, be the sunlight, be the rain, be the smile that helps growth happen. We're over 7 minutes again, but we're at day 29, 61 days to go. Today, remember that the tree did not become strong overnight. It trusted the process. It trusted its nature, and it trusted growth. Do the same for yourself. There is more within you than you can currently see. Trust the seed. Trust the journey. Trust the growth. It's day 29 of a 90-day series. Peace. Remember, smiles are contagious. And I love you. See you tomorrow for day 30.